What's up, my YouTube family? Hi, guys. How's everybody doing? I hope fine. I'm doing great. Good morning, y'all. It's morning time. It's like 9:30 in the morning. And I'm about to eat. Well, I'm going to try. Guys, it's bird saliva. So they call it bird's nest soup. Never tried it before. Let's get it. I don't know if y'all can see that. You see, it's like some jelly type of stuff in here. You know what I mean? I don't know, guys. I don't know what I'm gonna do here, but it's a little warm. All right, so it's bird saliva. I guess they make a nest with this saliva, and it takes about 30 days for them to make the nest. It don't smell bad. I don't know what it smells like. It don't smell bad, but it don't smell like, what's that cooking? But I might. It's like looks like Jello that's melting down. All right, guys, I'm about to try it. I don't know what it tastes like. It tastes like how it smells. Kind of a little bit, it has like a little tea taste to it. It's a little sweet. A little sweet. I can taste something sweet in it. It kind of tastes like I don't know, maybe like I don't know. Like I know it's gonna sound weird. It kind of tastes like a cross between like tea and cream of wheat. Like I don't know. It reminds me of like a porridge in the morning, kind of like a tea. I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments if you would try this bird saliva, bird's nest soup. Um, it's supposed to be really expensive. I paid $15 for this right here, and I think like a fresh one, like a real, like this is real. But you know when they make it over and all that other stuff, and then they put it in a container. So it was like I threw the package and stuff away. It was in like a TV dinner type of container, like. But yeah, it's supposed to be real expensive. Oh yeah, so where I was getting at, what I was saying. So maybe when you get it like fresh and cook it fresh, obviously that's always better. And then maybe you can have like more of a texture thing to it. Because this is all broken down, so. I'm still eating it. It's supposed to be good for you too. I forgot the benefits of it. But guys, if you're curious, look it up. And I got this from the Asian market, guys. I don't know. It's like you can't stop eating it. I don't know, guys. It's not nasty. It's not nothing wow. I need a thumbnail. Let's see if I can get a thumbnail, y'all. Can you see? Okay. Mm. All right, guys. Um, I'm all set with this. I mean, I'm about to go get me some real breakfast now. I don't know. I might go to McDonald's for breakfast and get me a biscuit, sausage, egg, and cheese with some hash browns. Definitely not getting their orange juice because their orange juice I could buy half a carton, half a gallon of orange juice for the price of their orange juice. But yeah, I think I might do that. Guys, if nobody told you today that they love you, let me be the first to tell you. I love you, you. I love each and every one of you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Guys, make sure you stay in the house. It's raining out here today. It was pouring yesterday, so guys, it's safer to be in the house. And remember, the streets don't love you like how I love you. Till the next video. Bye, guys.